Right, talking about remote viewing. This is just a USB webcam I'm using here, and I have tried a different one and that worked fine. Only the one I'm using now is a bit better quality. Now basically I can view this on anywhere where I have internet access. Basically that includes on mobile phone. I'll just show you on my mobile phone. So here's my mobile phone. Now I do have a sort of shortcut bookmark to it, so we can just click on there. That goes to the same website URL. Now if you try accessing this website URL, you may not actually be able to see it because I may put a password, and you can see remotely on my phone here, Android phone. It's just like accessing a website. I'll try and increase the quality. We've got the same sort of scale and such like, but we can do pinch and zoom and such things like that, FPS, etc. So you can see there, I can check it on my mobile phone so long as I have internet access on my mobile phone, just like a normal website really. And that's remotely viewing my print, which is, well, my print is downstairs, I'm upstairs in a completely different room. So I can check to see if the print, in this case, if the print had fallen over something, I could go down and stop the printer. There's no control over the printer, by the way. This is just like a remote viewer. Now there is software that you can remote view and control your printer as well. I'll probably link a bit about that other software down here. But that, I think that other software is more complex than this. This is quite easy to use, and I quite like this. Convenient. As I say, you can change the messages down here. Okay, so that's just on my mobile phone. I'm not faking it here. You will need enough lighting for your webcam. So I'll show you this on my other computer. So here we are on my main computer. Let's change this to 75%. And we can 1:1, we can go up, increase the scale up. The quality you want here and the frames per second might depend on your, well, will depend on your bandwidth. Now basically, I don't have this installed on this computer I'm looking at now. It's only on the computer I have the USB webcam plugged into. But here I am. I can watch my printer, make sure it's working all right and not caused any hassles, so to speak. Let's watch this a few more seconds. I wouldn't class it as a best image here, but the webcam I haven't isn't too good. It's pretty good, but not too good. It's average, I would class it as. As I say, I have tried another USB webcam and that worked okay. So it seems to work all right, no matter what webcam you're sort of using. We can keep on scaling it up, or I can go 1:1. And they have a lot more settings. There's motion detection, I think, and other settings. And you can put a password on the webcam so other people can't use it. You can limit the number of people wanting to watch the video if you're sharing it, I think, streaming it, etc. Don't ask me too much about that. I haven't really used it. I've just started using this software, but I found it extremely useful for remote viewing of my webcam, so I'm not having to, sorry, of my 3D prints. As I say, that right in there is just a cardboard box I have surrounding my printer, well, partly surrounding my printer to keep the warmth in, because I am printing, in this case, in ABS. I'll just show you the quality at 1% so you can see that that does work. Okay, that's 1%, ridiculous. 50% is quite good if you're having bandwidth problems. You can also knock down the frame rate if you're having sort of bandwidth problems. Okay, 75 for me has been fine. Right, so that's Yawcam. I'll show you the website here. Yet Another WebCAM software. So you can do text overlays, password protection, announcements for community scheduling, time lapse. Very good. So I'll put this link down below. There it is there, working. You can zoom in like normal, zoom on my mouse scroll and control held down there to make it bigger. Right, I'll just leave it at that.